Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
The Vibes Cartel announced in front of 50,000 people live on stage that Sidem is pregnant. I mean, we whole of Gaza nation happy. But I have to ask one. Being who me is, I have to ask one question. Sublime.
The fans love us. So that the haters keep watching. So we wear matching watches. Right? Now I tell you no. Now I tell you no what I'm read between the lines. Play the song. Every sex of you, you need to find me. You know who it is. We're gonna make some noise!
Sublimes. You know, I get the oats, get the supplement, get a girl and go get some children. Me really want to know that, you know. Blinds.
Alright, Masicka go run out on shenseea and do theme verse. Wait, so what going right as a people? Shenseea this Masicka. See how on one side man they run out and I tell shenseea about her mother. People, how go on? Shenseea rather do a new verse of the people them don't know than for sing Masicka. How go on people? Because Masicka this Vibes Cartel shenseea pick our side or what? We are going to reason about it people. People, two things we have to talk about. One of them obvious because from when I follow my channel, you go automatically be ahead on time, right? Yeah, because the whole DJ Dreadbeard channel is ahead of time. So, Vibes Cartel announced to the world, which we done confirm already. Me say so one and two people say, yo, and them see them name too much. She not pregnant and fear culture. See them look like she a pre-culture. Hadija Palmer see them a pre. So, yo, that season one and two comments that say, and she name too much. Or she have a married first. Whole heap of things. So, Vibes Cartel just announced it to the world, and this is a part of Vibes Cartel a bill see them. So we don't really need to talk too much about that, but we are gonna talk about the Masicka. How the man bleach for 2 hours a sing shenseea song a wait for theme verse. But when shenseea perform fear song, she no sing Masicka verse. Something right. People, this is just a highlight. Our guan, a regular, and the aftermath. You see me? Oh, Vibes Cartel take over the whole internet.
And if you ever feel like I don't love you, then I got news for you. You're not a virgin, you've been with many men. I'm not a saint, I've been with many women. Some say I'm a dog, some say I'm a gentleman. Some say I bleach out and white like Eminem. But what I'm saying there is that I love your love, and I'll never put no one above your love. Come, let's have a drink at the pub, yeah? And later on we can party at the club, yeah? I want to wake up with you in the morning and feel the sunrise, crack of dawning, breakfast in bed. That's not me. British girls, come have a cup of tea. Make some noise!
We good?
Come from the best show ever.
I know. Damn, baby, your ice is icing.
Beat them, teacher.
God have mercy upon us.
People, I hope I feel see them just spitting up. We are going to talk about it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video, share the video. If you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm going to shout out Gaza Trooper, who followed through with 7 Canadian on the last video.
You give me nothing fi put down, me no owe you. You give me nothing fi put down, me no owe you.
Yeah man, people, liking the video, commenting on the video is also a form of support. When you notice Gaza Trooper, I wear the Gaza badge. Yeah, that means he's a member for more than 2 months for you get the gold Gaza badge there. You have the regular badge, you have the silver badge, you have the diamond badge, the platinum badge, whole heap of badge there. For sure say yo, a long time you know support the channel. How long you know is a member to this channel. So member say, if you join the membership, that's how you support me as a content creator. And you can always drop a super thanks. See the instruction there, I run across the screen. Oh, if you drop a super thanks. People, don't go away. I'm soon forward.
Victory, DJ Dreadbeard victory. And all my dog, them with we family, they with we. Serious up to the time, you know, Vibes Cartel I represent for DJ Dreadbeard. You heard what the sound that me knows, not a word. shot to catch me last night. With a fat brown girl a scalp pipe. And me a got a person that's alright. Cause you know you want to. No worry, car. Look, I'll be serious, you know. Me never mean to. You must believe me. Oh, you know you want me everything. You don't need another. We're ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just love them. Take that touch to the correct guy. And I love them. Look. Because food sauce you bring.
Hey.
You good?
Come from the best show ever.
I know. Damn, baby, your ice is icing.
Beat them, teacher.
Your ice is icing. I know we're twinning, mama.
For life.
For life. We're twinning, my baby.
My baby got me this.
I know.
My baby got me this.
I did.
My baby got me this.
I did. I'm out.
Arian City taking over the world. Yeah, man, people. Seala, Vibes Cartel, and Cinema take over the whole social media. That is Hollywood unlock, run out quick and fast. You have the shade room. You have all of the room them. All of the international platform them where you have to pay for them post you. I post Vibes Cartel for free. No, like when something major happen in the world and everybody just start post it, CNN, NBC, Fox, yeah, as a Vibes Cartel have the whole internet. I make the whole world know say him have a half Turkish baby on the way, half Jamaican, half Turkish baby on the way. As me say, Vibes Cartel have this all planned out. By the time the audience see the first episode for drop, you hear what him say on stage, they love us. Billy my bill see them brand. You see me? So we don't really have much to say about that cause we done say what we for say already. We are either with time, people. All of the subscribers them on either on the time now. You see me? Yeah, but a oofa face she spitting her. See them spitting at somebody face and a oofa face she spitting her. Leave it in the comment section.
Beat them, teacher.
Hallelujah.
Biggie, I hit her. Want me forever with dream cellular. Dream you a dream wide one. You feel do better. Set any thoughts so you have in your head, you know. Cause this a one bad girl you're not ready for. So let me tell you boy, stop run me down. Your plan enough, I mean no plan for none. Me prefer single, me can't take fun. Me rather give you a hit and run, yeah. You're too young for London weed. I pray one day somebody give her company.
Yo, that's straight up disrespectful, bro. Women are so disrespectful, bro. How should we do that for Masicka, bro? Yo, when Masicka perform it and run, you know, the man stand up there and make shenseea part out, sing out and I wait about 2 minutes, you know. Then he jump in with theme verse, you know, the crowd not gonna look at him. And now shenseea perform her song, and me and myself I say, yo, Masicka dede, shenseea dede, it's only right for she give my highlight and make the people them really know what go on, you see me? And make the people them really connect the dots, so next time when him sing the song, them know say him. You see me? Bro, shenseea sing a complete different verse where the crowd don't know. Remember say everybody a try sing song where the crowd know, you know, Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff, Michael Jackson, them a sing some song for build up them time where the people them know because them not have no song where people them know. Remember that everybody a do, shenseea rather sing a song where people them not know. For sure you say Masicka partner have no impact. So either she not like Masicka verse, then put Masicka verse on it and she never agree with it or something no right, bro. The part where Masicka say, long story short, you're something good and done. Probably shenseea not like the little part the way I say, yo, you're something good and done. Like, what are you saying, bro? You know, like when something sound good in your head, and when you actually say it, it not come out as though it sound in your head. Yeah, probably the line there for Masicka, it sound good in your head, but shenseea not like it. Or, you see, woman, you see, if them not talk to somebody, they expect them friend not to talk to them neither, you know. Woman stay so, you know. So probably she see Masicka at this Vibes Cartel and she in her feelings for that. Alright, perfect example. You see, like how we know say Vibes Cartel and Squash good. And Masicka this Vibes Cartel, but Masicka and Squash of a song. Woman no stay so, you know. Woman will get na them feelings for that, you know. That's what me mean. So leave it in the comments them for the woman. Where you feel? Why you think she diss Masicka like that? You think it have something to do with Vibes Cartel or she just not like Masicka verse? Cause remember say Masicka them out here say them bring back shenseea career, you know. The song a hit and run, it no need Masicka verse. Like any verse could have go which part Masicka go and it's still it. Remember when I time of Valiant did for the panny, probably a fair original verse that and then scrap it and make Masicka get theme verse. Me don't know and all along I such a want the song go for she alone. Something right bro, but the woman them leave it in the comment. We wanna think why you wanna think she diss Masicka brawling like that. People we not done, you know. We are gonna have a laugh. We have the top Masicka vlogger. I try be diplomatic after him subscribers them at this shenseea. He might try be diplomatic. We are gonna have a laugh for hero. He might try be diplomatic. All he might be diplomatic, you know. You see by tomorrow. He might this shenseea brawling too, you know, cause them can't hold out, you know.
You know, say, what me think still in regards to shenseea thing, you see me? I don't probably put you replace in the verse, me a bit really though. The whole thing I say, yo, Churchalika, big up, you know. No, me not probably with Shelly for sick verse or not like that. I'm just saying. The whole thing me that say is that when she left for take a verse, me think she should at least acknowledge, you know? So yo, stick on there, you know, so we have a different verse or something like that. You see me? In my opinion, how she do it come across a way, probably that's why people are judge it, you see it? Because if she go use a different verse, which she can do that, you see me? My only grievance with it is that me I say, yo, at least, you know, in my opinion, at least say something, you see me? Yo, Sicka in there and a big up Sicka, something, bro. You understand? You see it? You say every time, say, look at we now. You get what I say now, bro, you see me? Get what I say, I can't even dispute when I say. You see me? Big woman team. I can't even dispute what I say, bro. Yeah, if I have a couple of times then, because at the end of the day, you know, bro. At the end of the day, you know. At that the song, they are big song, you know, brother. You understand that it and run really bring back shenseea in our game. We know that, bro. We know shenseea get the most fight, bro. You understand that it and run do so much with shenseea. So me I say at least, you see me I say? When they do them thing, it come across a way. And I understand why the crooks them upset with her, is it? We can't go around that. I really understand why the crooks upset with her. Is it? Because she do it without even give Sicka no acknowledgement. You understand? And everybody remember what shenseea that got through. That you have to understand, you know.
Yo, you know how which part sweet me? When the dog say, if I even shenseea have to say, Sicka not there, you know. So we are going to sing one different verse. Yo, hero the man, them suck up to shenseea. Bro, who not this shenseea and done, dog? Shenseea no business but funo. Like a jingbang fan base. Cause one of the weakest fan base out there. I see one in a regular comment section with be a crocodile emoji. And I talk about say Vibes Cartel time up. Imagine the man headline the show. I wanna say the man time up. Imagine shenseea just diss the man in the worst way. I wanna say the man time up. Shenseea no sing Panic. Shenseea no sing our next song with Vibes Cartel. She wait until Vibes Cartel I do film set for she sing for her song them. She could have sing for her song them, you know, because everybody a try sing song where the world know. So she rather hold back for her song them. You know what kind of respect that she have for Vibes Cartel for do that. For not perform her own song pan for her set. So she basically I tell Masicka say, yo, stop sing my song, dog. Just like how you take out infrared out of your set, take my song out of your set to dog. Because you don't have no song for yourself. I be a collaboration song you have where the world know. Sing one of your song them for yourself. Sing 1 hour worth of your song them. And stop sing song where you collaborate and your fans them. I take credit for it. Remember, I know the first time on this shenseea. From shenseea to Panic with Vibes Cartel, on had this shenseea, you know. When you think so shenseea no see them comments there. And this one artist brawling. Tell him to stop sing the girl song because you have to wait all long. And I like the rest of the song them where The most you have to wait probably a 1 minute. Theme song you have to wait one whole. Is a whole complete song shenseea do before you hear Masicka part, you know. And I hit the man up on stage, I wait. Sit down and I wait for theme part to pin. Bro, if you not go diss the girl, you know diss the girl and stop going like diplomatic and stop going like nice, bro. Because I know say the one side vlogger the way I talk, him can't go out neither, you know. Him soon start this start brawling, you know, cause him a talk about say, yo, one time shenseea career, yeah. One time shenseea career did up on one little low. And hit and run bring her back. I just coincident why Masicka did on hit and run, you know. Hit and run did I go bring back shenseea without Masicka. Cause remember say we are hear the snippet before Masicka. Remember good how it go down, man. Remember say hit and run it before we know say Masicka did on it. So what I talk about. I only love people song so. I only love take credit so. Take the girl song out on a set and that she a tell you no. That a code. If you want me read out the code for you, the girl a tell you say stop sing her song. The two of you, they on the same festival and you ring out the girl song. Allow the girl make the girl sing her song and you know so she on the festival too. But you ring out the girl song for almost 10 minutes. Every minute you pull up the girl song. The girl vex, bro. Remember me read all code, me read everything. I tell you what go on since you slow. Stop sing the girl song. You don't have little decency if you know say yo, the girl on the festival too. Where you ring out her song for? And then una go turn on and say, a shenseea biggest song, so why una sing the girl biggest song? Have little decency no man, have little heart no man, have little sportsmanship no man. Una move like Vegas when Vegas a sing people song. Remember when Vegas sing Elephant Man song? And Elephant Man a go perform next? And a little dirty style of the one side them have a sing the girl song and the girl up on the same festival. Make me spell it out for you. The girl no like you know. She might not hear to know, but she no like you know. You see me? Alright, so me I cut it no people. We are going to see if Masicka are going to perform hit and run moving forward after what shenseea do to him. Brawling. If you no slow, send this to them. The girl has sent a message to stop sing her song. Because a fear song you sing because you have to wait for your verse. So basically a fear song you sing you don't need it, bro. Bro, that's very disrespectful though, bro. Me never see this yet in my life. Somebody rather fi do them original verse rather than the verse what the world know. Yeah, me never see nothing like that yet in my life, bro. Shenseea is very disrespectful. People, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video, share the video. If you want to support the channel, you can drop a super thanks in the comment section. You see me? I may look about 2 membership on the video here. You see the thumbnail on the screen of your vlog what I do yesterday. For some reason, YouTube not push out the notification for the vlog when I dropped yesterday. So you can watch it now if you don't watch it yet. You see me? I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard, love them, tender touch them, different vlog every day, every day. You know, it's a girl Nico Rebla messy. Make sure so to like, share and subscribe to DJ Dreadbeard. You hear that? Run it up.